We just sitting back, you know, chopping it up, reminiscing about the good old days and all that. You know, tracking my roots, where I came from, where I'm going. But like I say, man, always said it. It's not about the destination. It's all about the journey. Ain't nothing changed but the weather. The dangling carrot that hang from the rear view. Your dreams in the past ain't nowhere near you. Backseat drivers got nothing but 2 cents. Shotgun riders too biased, they all liars. I should get an A for effort, I'm too tired, but I'm never giving up, that's why I'm kinda admired. Role model, like it or not, I gotta play it. Sugarcoat the rhyme sometimes, but still say it. Said I was quitting at 40, it's just a fib. I'm still a kid that's wiping the food off of my bib. You ever wanted something so bad that you could taste it? Cried over every opportunity wasted. Good and bad news, which one you want first? Either way you pick, the bad still gon' hurt you the worst. I never got to bask in the fruits of the labor, and I never got the cash from that dude from the label. I'm just thinking back. Way back, way back, way back. Can we go way back, way back, way back? It's time to go way back, way back, way back, way back. You see, in retrospect, I would've did it the same. In hindsight, I'm the only one to blame. I ain't picky, I'm just real specific. I want nothing less than terrific. I know y'all get it. I'm aggressive, so our style is clashing. Killer instinct, and I play with passion. I'd rather be hated for being one of the realest than get a lot of love for these overrated appearances. I can stand on skill alone, but I'm a package deal. I can write the whole song and rap for real. I got my head in the cloud, with a pun intended. I don't need to see nobody, I don't want no visits. Introverted, I just flirt with the music. Small circles, how I choose it. Stay away from squares, they the one that look like a L7. I've been doing this since I was 11, and the shit gets real. Can we go way back, way back, way back? Can we go way back, way back, way back? It's time to go way back, way back, way back, way back. Pure pandemonium when I'm in the building. Grown man.
What are you doing?
Learning lesson number 1 for supermoto riding. Always have a new tire when you go to the track.
Or, if you're planning on changing it on the track, bring tools. Dude, both of our bikes are gonna fall down because of you. Look at that.
We high-fived already, so it has to work now.
Yeah, true. Alright, half of the job is done. Tire is off, now it's time to put the new tire back on. Paul has gone to the bathroom to put some soap on it to see if it would make it a bit more slippery. Let's put it back on the wheel because it's super hard to do it dry like this.
Get 'em.
Hi Paul.
Hey.
So what just happened? We did put a new tire on it like that, brand new tire. It needs to be pumped. And we can keep on driving.
This is always scary. Oh, fuck.
Are you having fun? Dude, I think it's okay. I think you're good. After smashing it. Come, hurry up, we still have to get it warm. Paul is not able to pump a tire.
extra. Mind your business, tell them mind your business. Not religious, so don't ever cross me like a line of scrimmage. It's not a gimmick, every single day I live it. Money don't sleep, gotta pay me by the minute. Money comes, money goes, but I never lose my flow. I ain't messing with these hoes, just messing with my bros. Now you messing with a pro, never stressing on the dough. It's a blessing, now I know my team winning is for show. Now I know my team winning is for show. I see the murder scene and run up on a spleen. Factual, actual facts that are practical. I'm about to tear you up. Why? I'm an animal, cannibal, Hannibal Lecter. Lie to your face, crime and it pays. Getting very passionate, this love affair's elaborate. Hiding what I do from the members of my cabinet.
Paul just crashed my bike.
Hey,
So Paul,
I'm sorry.
that's okay, man. So what do you think about the grip?
There's none.
There's no grip.
The handling is awesome, but there's no grip. Wow. We've had a hard day today.
Yeah, I confirm.
We were not fast, but we were sliding far. Not on the tires.
Yep. Let's say we tried a few different tire pressures, suspension setup, and everything went wrong. Like we still don't know what's good, but we know what's not good. Like
That's what we tried.
So let's say, how many crashes is this in total? 5, I think.
5.
You got 3, I got 2. Yeah.
All low-siders.
All low siders. Thanks God, high sides are just mean.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's always been the same corners.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
today was not good for the ego, but
It was fun anyway.
yeah, it was good.
It was a good day anyway. I mean, it's good to be out, it's good to do something. Bye bye.
That's it. Peace out.